Are you allowed to have that? Can you even eat that on your diet? Has anyone ever said those words to you on your health or your wellness journey? Same. As a person who's lost over 200 pounds, I've had a dime for every time someone has uttered one of those insults to me. I'd buy us both Ferraris. That's just coming from people that don't know our secret, that there's healthy swaps and alternatives to our favorite junk food and cravings. And I'm going to show you some of my favorites. My favorite healthy swaps are from Thrive Market. Let me show you what I got. Do you love something crunchy, something you can snack on? Chex Mix? I got you. So these are Catalina Crunch. This is a high protein, low carb crunch mix. It's so good. It's got nuts, pretzels, delicious. All different kinds of flavors, creamy ranch, cheddar. They have spicy, they have original. I love this stuff, okay? Do you like granola? You like to add a little crunch to maybe your yogurt or a dessert. Sometimes granola can be really high in sugar. People think it sounds healthy. Not always the case, but Thrive Market offers low sugar or keto granola. So many different flavors. I love them all. But this time I picked up the vanilla almond butter one. And they have so many low sugar dessert options. Brownies, cookies, and even blueberry muffins. So I got a keto blueberry muffin mix. I love me a good bowl of cereal with some milk. I don't know about you, but cereal, super high in sugar. Thrive Market has high protein, low sugar cereal options. This one is Magic Spoon. This time I got the birthday cake flavor, tons of different flavors of these. They're all delicious. Catalina Crunch, which is also offered through Thrive Market, has different flavors of a low sugar, high protein cereal as well. Now, I got some of the regular graham crackers last time. This time I decided to try chocolate graham crackers. These are no sugar added. Oh, you probably love Rice Krispie treats because I do too, but I got an alternative for you. These are Magic Spoon protein treats. Different flavors. I think they have chocolate peanut butter. The marshmallow one's really good. This one is blueberry muffin, and they have like a chocolate one too. These are high protein, low sugar, and super delicious treat. If you're craving a Rice Krispie treat, highly recommend. If you like Oreos, I found a lower sugar option. These have 3 grams of sugar for 2 of these cookies. This is like a better snack. When you are snacking on your journey, it's really good to focus on high protein stacks so you're getting a benefit out of your snack and we're not just carb loading. I love to get beef jerky, and Righteous Felon has some of my favorite beef jerky. This time I picked up the teriyaki balboa and then the bootleg and barbecue. They're delicious. And then they had some new flavors of their beef sticks, which are really good. I have not had this one, but it's OG hickory. I feel like we should try it. All right, cheers. That's really good. Thrive Market has so many more options for healthy swaps and alternatives. These are just some of my favorites. I also love their low sugar granola bars, and they have many of them. Listen, next time someone insults you with one of those sayings, just laugh at them because, honey, they are clueless, and we know the secret.